What is meant by software engineering or what is software engineering? Here I will give you very clear explanation and definition. And here, what is software and what is engineering? I will give you with clear definition for your understanding. So, what is software means set of programs or collection of programs. Similarly, again here we are getting doubt. What is program? So, program is set of instructions, a set of commands. So again, so for example, for your clarity, for clear explanation, a list of instructions or commands for a computer is called a program or software, which is a set of step-by-step commands or instructions that tells the computer how to do a particular task and how to perform a specific task and what to do and how to do. It will we will guide you the system through our commands, through our instructions by using input. And coming to the what is engineering? Engineering in software engineering means applying systematic, disciplined, quantifiable engineering principles like those in science and maths to design, develop, test, and maintain reliable and efficient software systems. Now, I will give you a clear definition according to the IEEE standard, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers standard. So, the software engineering is the systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software.